Okay, so here's the question you were asking about. Um, so it has data represented in two different ways. It has data represented in just an array of numbers like this, and they wanted you to take this array of numbers and arrange them in a stem and leaf plot. So let's just say I had like, instead of all these numbers here, I have four different numbers. I have 42, 47, 48, and 51. And I want to write them as a stem and leaf plot. I'm going to divide them up by their tens digit. So I'm going to put all the 40s in my first spot like that. So I'll put a 4 with the vertical line. You don't always have to have the vertical line, but sometimes you'll see it. Most of the time it'll be there. Now I put all my 50 numbers below. So I have a 42. So I'm going to start there. So to represent the 42, I'm just going to put the ones digit there. So I have that represents a 42. I have a 47, so I'll put a 7 there. And I have a 48, so I have an 8 there. So that 2, 7, and 8 represents 42, 47, and 8. Now I have 51 left over, so I'm going to put my 1 there. So that is the same representation as this four number array. So you'll see the lowest number in here should be a 61 because this is 6, 1. And it is right there. Okay, they match up one for one. So I want you to fill in the 90s box. So I'm going to start by looking for all the 90s. I have 94, 98, and 98. So just like here, I'll start with the lowest value, 94. That means I'm going to put a 4 here. That takes care of that. 98, I'm going to put an 8 here. That takes care of that. And then the other 98, just like that. So you're going to just plug in 488 in for your answer.